Hey there, fellow gardeners. Welcome back to the channel where we unlock the best tips to take your garden to the next level. Today, I've got a special trick for you that will turn your cucumber plants into fruit-producing machines. Just one simple tip that will make your cucumbers bear fruit like rain. You don't want to miss this, so let's dive right in. Now, before we get to the magic tip, let's quickly talk about why your cucumbers might not be bearing as much fruit as you'd like. It could be due to a few reasons. Poor pollination. Cucumbers rely heavily on pollinators like bees to set fruit. If there aren't enough pollinators around, fruit production will slow down. Lack of proper pruning. Cucumbers can get tangled and overgrown, leading to energy being wasted on vines and leaves instead of fruit. Watering issues. Too much or too little water can lead to poor fruiting. Cucumbers need consistent moisture to thrive. Don't worry though, all these issues can be fixed with today's simple but highly effective tip. The secret to abundant cucumber fruiting is simple hand pollination. Sometimes natural pollinators just aren't enough, especially if you're growing cucumbers indoors, in a greenhouse, or in an area with fewer bees. That's where we step in to help. Here's how you do it. Identify male and female flowers. Cucumbers have both male and female flowers. The male flowers have a thin stem and no tiny fruit at the base. The female flowers have a small cucumber-shaped bump at the base. Use a small brush or cotton swab. Take a small, clean brush or cotton swab and gently brush the inside of a male flower to collect pollen. Transfer the pollen. Next, brush the collected pollen onto the center of a female flower. Be gentle, but make sure the pollen is well applied. By doing this, you're helping the plant with pollination and ensuring more fruits develop. In just a few days, you'll start seeing results. Now that you know the secret of hand pollination, here are a few extra tips to help boost your cucumber yield even more. Prune. Regularly trim back excessive leaves and vines to help the plant focus on fruit production. Consistent watering. Cucumbers need 1 to 2 inches of water per week. Make sure the soil is consistently moist but never soggy. Fertilize appropriately. Cucumbers are heavy feeders. Use a balanced fertilizer high in potassium and phosphorus for better fruiting. Once you start hand pollinating and following these tips, you'll see a big difference in your cucumber production. Your vines will be covered in fruits before you know it. Trust me, this one little tip of hand pollination can make a world of difference in your harvest. You'll be picking cucumbers left and right, just like rain. If you found this tip helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more gardening secrets. And don't forget to leave a comment below if you've tried hand pollination before, or if you have any other cucumber growing tips to share. Thanks for watching and happy gardening. See you in the next video.